There are currently 134 homes for sale in Annapolis, priced from $169,900 to $24,900,000. There are currently 24 homes for lease between $1,400 and $6,000 per month. It's Friday, January 29th, 2021. I am Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. 22 homes were listed for sale since last Friday between $210,000 and $4 million. 16 homes are coming soon. 20 homes went under contract since last week. 22 are temporarily off the market. 20 went to pending, and 14 sold over the past week, with the highest sale in 21403's Annapolis Roads community for $1,400,000 and the lowest priced in Forest Hills for $245,000. Do you have any questions about your situation for 2021? Give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 29th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.